Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to add multiple stops on Waze. Adding extra stops is helpful when you're running errands, picking a friend, or planning a trip with several points along the way. To get started, open the Waze app. After the Waze app is opened, just click on your main or primary location or destination. In my case, I want to go to work. And as you can see, I have successfully set a primary destination. After you have set a primary location, just scroll up and you will see different options. Click on Add a Stop and search any place that you want to add a stop, or you can also use different location. Let's say I want to add this location. Let's click on your location, click on Add a Stop, and click on Go Now. As you can see, we have successfully added a second stop on Waze. You can repeat the same steps to add more stops if needed using multiple stops. Make your route more organized and help Waze provide accurate travel time and direction. It's a great way to plan your whole trip in one go. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.